Hello everybody, today we will be showing you our sunflower competition 2018. Now, thank you.
Right, it's got to find the one with the biggest head now.
There's one there, I don't think that's got the biggest head though. 26 is it? I have no clue.
You hold that and I'll have a look.
What?
First of
Oh
all,
god, sunflower seed fell on my eye.
Right, look at the sunflower. I'm going to do this first.
What's going on? Are you making the fish?
Oh, it looks evil at the moment.
Oh god. Let's show the people once it's done. Can't see it much, but that looks terrifying. Okay. This is a massive leaf. And here's an evil sunflower.
Right, so now let's measure it. I think this is the biggest one we've got. How do you measure it with this thing? I know what, I'll do this and then I'll push it off. Like that, 11 inches.
Okay.
It's 11 inches the other way as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Both
I ruined
sides.
its face now before I got to take a picture.
What?
I ruined its face before I got to take a picture.
Oh my
The
god.
leaves are massive, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Massive. This one's bigger. Oh my god.
Right, so now
Oh, a bee.
we've got to do the tallest sunflower. So let's go find the tallest one in there.
Wait. We must get a bee in this. Bee. Just watch it. Oh wait.
I've seen lots of bees.
I know, but this one's awesome. Okay, let me just zoom back there. Right. What?
Screenshot.
I like doing this.
Which one's the very top one? I know, if I go through this.
Anna, I see it there.
Tell me when it's there.
Okay. Bit more. There, I think.
Move back and have a look.
Oh, right there. Oh. Tiny bit more. Tiny bit more. There, that's all.
Right, is that the tallest? There?
Yeah,
Tallest sunflower?
yeah.
Okay, come here now. Oh wow, you have zoomed in. So that's 10 foot and then 127 inches. So it's nearly 11 foot. Nearly. Right, so that one's at the top. I'm gonna move it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh no, look. The top of the flower's a tiny bit bigger than that.
Yeah. It's only like not that big.
Ta-da!
Did he?
Now we've got to find one with the most flowers on it.
Okay.
Most flowers off one.
Don't they all just have
So we might want
one?
to turn it off a bit, going round and count them all and then come back. Because we've got lots of sunflowers. Definitely not that Right, so should we just try and count the ones on this one then? I wonder if you count these things? The little things that are not open yet?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Anyway, how many did you say there was? 23?
Yeah.
23 on that one. There's loads on this one. But they're not all open. I might have got counting them anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, probably more, because I've lost count. How many did you say? 43? 44? 44, but they're not all open. But they're about to be open, aren't they?
Mummy. They look like that one is more.
It's because most of them are open and it's bigger on that one. But these
But do you only count the ones that aren't open?
No, I was counting the ones that aren't open and are open, but I was counting these as well.
Yeah, that's what I counted.
And this has got loads on.
How much did you count on that one?
20 something, but
I counted 20.
it's hard to count them all, isn't it?
Yeah. We'll have to cut them off on the way.
Should we take a picture of you underneath that sunflower?
Thanks for watching. We will recount the sunflowers again when they're all in flower, because we didn't realise at the time, and it'll be easier to count. Bye.